Alright. Bug number 2 in Mary's room. What is up with it? I think it's dead already.
Yeah, it is. That one's huge, though. You have a shadow.
What?
There's a shadow on it. You can't see it.
Nah, there's a big shadow.
There you go.
Look how big that thing is.
Okay.
It's dead, but I don't feel like getting it.
Just so you know, I put that there.
No, you didn't.
I totally did.
Is it fake?
I found that in the bottom of my suitcase this morning. I put it against the wall because I knew you were going to sit down there sooner or later.
No, you didn't.
I totally did.
No, you didn't.
Seriously.
You lied. Well, I'm not getting it.
I'll get it because I already touched the one.
Don't touch it.
I don't even know what this thing is.
Flush it.
What?
Mary, get it away from me.
What?
I'm serious. Mary, I'm gonna kick your ass. I'm gonna kick
That is funny. It's kind of funny.
Gross. Mary can get over it.
It looks like a cockroach dish thingy.
Gross.
Come on.
No.
Flush it.
Go flush it. Put it in the toilet first.
Who peed in the toilet and didn't flush?
Mommy.
Bye-bye, bye.
It smells in here. You need to take out the trash.
Not me.
Because you're the one that was on your period last week.
Whatever.
There's Alex.
You just put that on camera saying nothing.
People will get over it. I'm thirsty.
Huh?
I'm thirsty. Bye.